Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corley and today I present to you this makeup look that I don't quite know how to describe. It's a kind of pinky cranberry but more on the mauve side crease with a half cut crease with a gold and light shimmery pink. I honestly don't know. I just tried to match shades that I wouldn't usually match together, hence the gold and the silvery lighter pink. I have some transfer in my lid. I don't know what I did there, but I really like how it turned out. I feel like it's super dramatic, it's bomb, it's really like out there and bold. So you know, anything that's really dramatic for no reason I like. So yeah, if you want to see how to achieve this look, then please by all means just keep on watching, you know. But before, don't forget to subscribe, sis. We're almost 100 subscribers. Well, we have 30 subscribers, but we're almost there, you guys. It would mean the world to me. So please, if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. We're just waiting for you to join us, you know. Anyways, if you want to see how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, we're gonna start by using the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer, and we're gonna put it all over our eyelid, blend it out, and not set it because we want it to be really fresh so that when we put the shadow on top, it's super bright. The first shade I'm going to take is this little cranberry shade from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to pack it onto my crease with this double-ended brush from my Naked 3 palette. To blend out the edges of the cranberry shade, I'm going to take this very light pink and buff it really lightly all over the edges of the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go back and forth with the pink just to make sure it's really bright. From my ABH Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to take the shade Love Letter and pack it into my crease so I can really make the look a little pinkier. I honestly don't know why I took red ochre, but I still took it, and I'm gonna pack it into the crease as well. It's probably gonna bring a little bit more warmth back, but at the end of the makeup tutorial you don't see it that much. I don't know if it's necessary. Back with my Morphe 35B, I'm gonna take the black shade and pack it with a tiny brush on my outer V just to really deepen up that part of my eyes. I'm now going to blend the black out with the brush we used in our crease with most of our crease shades just to make sure that I really blend seamlessly. Black is a very tricky color, so when you go little at a time. Now to cut my crease, I'm going to take the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer again. I'm going to do a half cut crease. You can see me doing it right here. I'm going to fill it in, and then we're going to pack it with shadow on top. For the inner part of the half cut crease, I'm going to take the shade Vermeer from my ABH Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to pack it kind of halfway through the cut crease part. Now for the golden bronze shadow, I'm going to take my NYX Prismatic Shadow in the shade Liquid Gold, and I'm going to pack it in between the shimmery pink and the outer corner matte crease shades. That was a mouthful. But yeah, I'm just going to pack it, and it's going to give us that little bit of ombre look. For priming my face, I'm going to take the same old Benefit Professional Primer. I love this. It fills in my pores, but it doesn't give an oily cast. For foundation, I'm going to take my Covergirl Ready Set Gorge foundation and mix it with the liquid version of the Becca highlighter in Opal just so I have a more radiant, luminous finish. I'm going to apply concealer all over my under eyes in the center of my face. Then I'm gonna set it, sorry, with my NYX Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder. As usual, to further set my face, I'm going to take the Maybelline Better Skin Superstay Face Powder in the shade 50 Natural Beige and just all over my face, y'all. Y'all know how it works. Okay. I'm now going to do my lower lash line using the same shades I used in my crease. And when I do my lower lash line, I try to go lower so it's a little thicker so you actually see it. Because I don't know why, but you never see my lower lash line for some reason. For blush, I'm going to take the e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Light and just apply the shade I pointed all over my little cheeks. Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. I'm going to spray my brush and then I'm going to apply the highlight all over the high points of my face. So my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, and above the eyebrows. Finally, for lips, I'm going to take the Sephora Cream Lips Stain in the shade 13, I believe Marvellous Mauve. Then I'm going to go ahead and pack Vermeer on the center of my lips, the shimmery pink shade. And then I'm going to top it off with the Maybelline Baby Lips Gloss in the shade Life's a Peach. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I like it when you guys watch it. It makes me happy, especially because I put so much work into it that when people just appreciate, you know, it's nice. So if you enjoyed the video, actually don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section down below other video suggestions or things that you would like to see me do. Just drop your suggestions, girl, and guess what, I might just do it, you know. So you know what to do. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media such as Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will put my Snapchat snap code right here. You decide whether or not you want to mess with Snapchat anymore. A lot of people say Snapchat is canceled. I personally just prefer Snapchat for everyday stuff rather than Instagram stories because I feel like Instagram stories are just more professional by definition. So you decide whether or not you want to follow me on Snapchat. That's your choice. If you want to, just, you know, just do it. But if you don't, I totally understand. It's fine. I will have all the other links to my social media in the description box down below so you guys can easily find me. If you guys like me, my personality, or the content I put up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love for you guys to join us. And yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really truly do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.